In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your Trello boards into Notion, using Notion's built-in importer. So everything you care about lives in one organized workspace. First, open Notion and look to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Settings and Members. This is where Notion keeps all your workspace controls. And it's also where you'll find the tools to bring content in from other apps. Inside Settings and Members, find and open the Import tab. The Import tab is designed to make migrations straightforward, and it includes direct connectors for popular tools so you don't have to copy and paste content manually. From the list of available apps, choose Trello. This tells Notion you want to bring over boards and cards from your Trello account. When you pick Trello, Notion will prompt you to log in so it can securely access your boards. Go ahead and sign in to Trello and grant the necessary permissions. This authorization simply lets Notion read the boards you choose. It's a standard, secure handshake between the two services. After you log in, you'll see a list of your Trello boards. Select the specific boards you want to bring over to Notion. You can choose a single board or multiple boards at once, depending on what you need. If you are part of multiple Trello workspaces, make sure you are selecting the boards from the correct one. Only boards you have access to in Trello will appear here. Once you confirm your selection, Notion will start the import. The time this takes depends on how many boards and cards you selected. When it's finished, you'll find new pages in your Notion workspace for each imported board. Each board typically becomes a database with a board view where your Trello lists appear as columns. And your cards become individual pages. Key details like card titles, descriptions, labels, and due dates generally carry over. Though formatting may look a little different in Notion, take a moment to review the imported pages and adjust properties, filters, or views to match your workflow. If something doesn't show up as expected, double-check that you granted access to the right Trello account and that you had permission to view the original boards. You can always repeat the import for additional boards later. That's it, quick, clean, and efficient. You've connected Trello to Notion by importing your boards, and you are ready to manage everything in one place. Thanks for watching.